friends, going tayo ng City Hall. To the City Hall tayo mga friends. Yan, official travel na naman tayo to this afternoon. To the Soul. So, yan. Double check yung document. Double check yung ating sasakyan. Before you start the engine, you have to check. Blow bagets. Blow bagets. Ano yan? Blow bagets. So, signal light before you turn. Ano ba di? Going to the city hall o nagtudlong driving? How many seconds are you going to put up the signal light before you turn? To the City Hall. This is the main highway, Quezon Avenue. Quezon Avenue, this is traffic. Welcome to Quezon Avenue. During the first business hours. So, that's how it is. We're passing by Cathedral.
Ano?
That's the St. Michael's Cathedral. Include the driver. Shout out to our boss. Shout out to our driver, to our boss here. City Hall. Kanina kasi hindi ko dala yung aking cellphone kaya hindi ako nag-video. But this time, going to the City Hall, let's document it. So that's part of the Fiesta celebration. Just recently, September 29. It hasn't been cleared just yet, so enjoy the show. Oops. Oops. This is how we do it. The City Hall, guys. We are just passing one strip only. One strip only. Quezon Avenue. Now we're entering into Quezon Avenue extension, guys. Oops. Sama na siya. Don't swerve. Don't swerve. Parang uulan yata. Oh, see? Mahaba pa yung ating stoplight na sa 91. training yata to sa driving eh. Oh. Yield. Do not beat the red light. Ah.
Picturing driving while
Baliktad ang pasahero ang nagtudlo sa driver. Baliktad sir, ang pasahero minanudlo sa driver. Pati sir Goy. Okay, go. City Mayor's office tayo guys.
saan natin sa
Mayor's office.
Mayor's office.
Local school board.
Di ba ang USB sa taas?
Sa taas, sa Mayor's office. Ay, lagi sa taas. Dito sa may cashier.
Ang Mayor's office nila mo.
Lagi ka tong bagong building. Dito ta sa taas. To the peak of the mountain. Sa second floor mo siguro to. Yung local second floor. Yung kalimutan ko.
Second floor.
Oh, visit there, visit. It's an open restaurant there. In the peak of the okay, Bana side of the hill. It's called the hillside. Mobile kitchen. So we're going up now, going up to the city hall. Akyat tayo guys. We're going up. Yeah. This is our way to the city hall. It is going up sa galing niya sir. So tawag anak ganin niya. Winding road. It is a winding road. Note therefore that our road is a winding road. Steep winding road. One way. This is one way ticket, friends. there. The CMO, mayor's office there. But we are going to the local school board. The local school board na pa dito sa taas. Still on the road. Yan. Doon tayo, doon. Disaster response. Our local number is 811 and 812. Oh, di ba padulungkod sila dito, sir? O gadalagin envelope folder. This way to the parking lot. One way raman eh. One way. So this is the old mayor's office building, now under renovation. Di na ka motuyok dito, sir? Dire ako. Local civil registry there. Yan, dito tayo. Dito ako bababa. Ibili na lang kasi akong payo. So, muna siya ang City Hall na karaan. I'm going down. Down. So before we go, guys, mag-document sa kadere. Documenting that I am here. So this is the Iligan City Hall. The old Iligan City Hall. Actually still existing City Hall. So dito sa ating City Hall, makikita nyo, it is actually overlooking the city po. Before ako uwi, tapos na yung aking official travel, so magsa sideline muna tayo. Ito po, so that's the Robinson over there. Yan, sa ano natin, makikita nyo po. There, yung may R, yun po ang ating Robinson's Mall. Yan. And of course, doon yung seaside na natin doon, seasides. And of course, City Hardware over there. Malapit na yun yung City Hardware doon. Makita niyo yung City Hardware doon. Malapit yun sa amin. Of course, we will see Gaisano Mall po. Yung malaking building dyan. Yan, Gaisano Mall. The back of Gaisano Mall po, yung makita nyo dyan. And of course, it is where, ganon. So that's actually Iligan City, from the west to the east over there. So maganda dito, guys, mag vlogging pag madaling araw. You will capture the sunrise, and even mamayang hapon you will capture also the sunset. Ito po, and you can see the young students here nagpractice ng kanilang mga activities while ako ay nagba-vlogging ako after the submission of the forms required of me. So I was on an official travel, kaya before I go home, I have to take the chances na lang. Of course, opportunity cost. So, this is my opportunity cost. It counts. Yan po, Iligan City Hall. Under renovation siya actually. Dati nandito yung mayor's office, but eventually may bago ng building ang ating mayor's office. There is our local civil registry office with the city councilor's office. And of course, ito yung kanilang canteen. Cooperative and canteen nila dyan. And one way yung kalsada, guys. dropping point lang dun sa main. Ayan, so pauwi na tayo. Going back. So this is the best thing here sa ating City Hall complex kasi nasa ano siya hill. It's top of a hill. So makikita nyo po yung overlooking siya sa city. Kanina paakyat tayo, ngayon pababa na naman tayo papunta sa uwi na. So my travel is already done. Ayan na, naghihintay si sir at mayroon pa kaming ibang itinerary for tonight, for today. Pasensya na yung aking estudyante because this is very much important in relation to teachers benefits. So, ayan. This is how we do it. Ayan, bababa tayo sa City Hall and it's raining, guys. It's raining, naguluhan sila sa ano kasi gipangitaan sila picture sir sa research grant sa research nga gihimo sa school.
Sige pangita.
Katong picture ba nga atong gihimo, katong dokumenta o kuan kolokyum.
Dayon.
Ang uban wala. So gipabalik sila kay wala sila yung mga picture regarding research and research titles.
Sang uban.
Ang pictures So, inko kuan rami ma'am nga eco seminar in relation sa research colloquium nga giatinan sa among teacher. Siya nga ni-attend, siya mo ni conduct sa seminar balik para sa school in relation. So, yan po, City Hall tayo. And here the City Assessor's Office. Ay, bababa tayo. Dito lang maganda sa City Hall natin because it is very cool with trees. Maintained po yung ating mga trees. Ayan, mayroon tayong mga little bit canteen dito.
Maganda rin na dito.
Daganoy, pila-pila. Balik-balik mga tao.
Nakatumutuwa, okay na.
Okay na. Wala na yung question. Katong manggod to template nga gihatag nila sa payroll mo man akong gisunod. Error di ay. Anyway. So going down. Wala na tayo problema. Okay na to kato Sila na magpapirma ato kay SDS. Every Friday daw ang receiving sa process. So kay nakasulod naman to for signature ugma Thursday. So Friday ma-submit nila basig next week or sunod pa nga Friday. Kay naka first batch man ta karon so most probably una pud ta ma-releasean. So, nandito na tayo sa sea level. Baba na tayo sa ating City Hall hill. The Buhanginan Hills. Going to the city. 10 plus 10. Mga 20 minutes ang akong video. I-add up lang na ako na siya. I-add up para guwapa i-add up. Viliatuna. Agi. We are going back to Gaisano Mall to get another errand. It's raining, man! Taas na po kayo ang ato ang kuan. Ang ato ang stoplight. Waiting for the stoplight. Kasi tayo ay didiretso, nandito tayo sa center lane. Pag ikaw ay liliko to the right, you will be on the outer lane. Liliko ka to the left, you will be in the center lane. Dalawang lane lang tong kalsada natin, but because of traffic, nagiging 3 lanes. Only in the Philippines. Only in the Philippines. Yung dalawang lane ay nagiging triple lane.